Morning, everybody. That's the time. That's the temp. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Real breezy day. Here's the bracket. And today I'm going to install it. First I got to get the cover back a little bit. So that's a two-handed job. More in a minute. Sorry about that. I had to close the door. That wind was just cutting right through me. But the bracket's on. Let's see if we get the flashlight. I went ahead and put a nut on the back of it because I had enough threads sticking through. Kicking around. Hold on. Oh, come on. Just sit there for a minute. Come on. You just cooperate. Can you balance there? There. Cool. I'm thinking about maybe taking some 1/4-inch vacuum hose or something and splitting it and just putting it down here on either side of it. I got to start it and run it and to see how it expands, but it is well off the alternator and it's pretty much protected with the steel here up to about here, and that's where she comes down and takes in. Somebody had asked the question, why just not cut up, let's say, another roughly right where the hose clamp is and just bring it forward. It's already starting to kink, and I don't want to kink it any more than I've already forced it into doing. And I've actually cut off almost an inch off of this end. I'm going to say probably 3/4 of an inch at least off of this end. So I think I got it to where it fits, so the bracket was necessary. Besides, it didn't take much to make it. So that's it. That's all I'm going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and load this up. And so, yeah. Pat's due up. We're going to watch some football, but that's about it. Hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving out there. And see, tomorrow's Friday. What do I got planned tomorrow? I don't know. We'll have to see what's going to go on tomorrow for tomorrow. There is my live show tomorrow afternoon, so we'll still do that, even though it's Black Friday or whatever. So again, happy Thanksgiving to all. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And you know, I still could have cut this and probably forced it. Maybe it wouldn't have kinked any more than it is already, but I don't know. I just like the way the hose fits the way it is right now, and I didn't want to chance it. So next test would be to start it up and see how it expands and see what happens, and we'll go from there. So everybody have a good evening. Later.